So today is the 29th of April 2022. We have the University of Tampere here. Pinni, or it's with the access to Pinni B through the bridge from here when you go up with the elevator. I might show you the bridge from here, from downstairs first. This is how it looks like. They didn't use the bridge, but
yeah,
it's also there. And it was replaced in 2018, originally built by Shinra left in 2003. But he speaks Finnish and English,
yeah,
and skips the third floor. He passed these 8 persons over 600 grams. His number is 43387301. Not a bad style.
yeah.
To be inspected this year in 2022.
Inspected parking lines maintained by Kone.
Here's the vision of your lift.
Yeah, that's